Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. In the previous lecture we have drawn ellipse by using arc of circle method and directric focus method. In this lecture we are going to draw ellipse using concentric circle method. So here we have given a question where we have to draw an ellipse when its major axis is 100 mm and minor axis is 70 mm. So first we will consider major axis, which is given is 100 millimeter. So first we will draw a straight horizontal line of length 100 millimeters and will mark it as AB. So in question it can be given major axis, minor axis and distance between the foci. Out of 3 any 2 will be given. You can find out the third and you can draw the ellipse. So AB is 100 millimeter. Now considering the minor axis, which is given is 70 millimeters. So for drawing that, we will take a perpendicular through the center of line AB. We'll draw a perpendicular line through line AB. Now marking of the minor axis, that is 70 millimeter. So from the center we will mark 3.5 centimeters or 35 millimeter above and 35 millimeter below. So the total distance, that is CD, will be equal to 70 millimeter and that is the minor axis. Now considering AB and CD as the two diameters, we will draw two circles from the center point O. So there comes the name as concentric circle method. So considering OA as the radius or AB as the diameter, we will draw the bigger circle, and CD as the diameter, we will draw the smaller circle. Now as the center point for both these circles is same, so when we divide the circle into 12 equal parts, the division of the both circles will be same. So if we divide any one circle, the other circle will automatically be divided. So here I am dividing the smaller circle into 12 equal parts. You know the procedure to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. If not, refer to my geometric construction video. It will be clear. After dividing the circle into 12 equal parts, we will mark the inner circle as 1 to 12 and outer circle as 1 dash to 12 dash. Now next step, we have to draw parallel lines through the outer circle points and from the inner circle points as well. So this is the path trace of the ellipse. It will start from A, C, B and D. So it will start from A and travel through C, B and D. Now through the outer circle we have to draw straight lines from each of the points. So from the outer circle, from 2 dash, we will draw a straight line down, and from 12 dash, straight line up. Now from the next points, next 2 points, 3 dash and 11 dash, from 5 dash and 9 dash, 5 dash line downwards, 9 dash line upwards, 6 dash and 8 dash. So as you can see, we have drawn straight lines from the outer circle. Now from the inner circle points, we will draw horizontal lines. Now from these 2 points, horizontal line coinciding to the outer circle lines. So as you can see, from 3 and 5, we have drawn horizontal lines. Now from 2 and 6, horizontal lines extending it to the outer circle lines. Now after drawing all these lines, we will mark the points. This first point from the ellipse where it will start, that will be P1, then P2, P3, C point will be P4, P5, P6, then B point will be P7, P8, P9, D point will be P10, then P11, P12, and again the ellipse will end till point A. So ellipse will rotate through these points. Now we have to join these points, and you know the procedure for joining the points. We have to use French curve. So considering 3 or more than 3 points, we have to align it properly and we have to draw a curve. So here I am considering I've got all the 4 points and I am drawing a curve. This will be the 1/4 part of the ellipse. Now through same method, we will draw the other parts of the ellipse as well. Just rotate the French curve and draw the smooth curve. And our ellipse is done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. Have a great day.